Is your sperm watery or you have low sperm count? This video is for you, okay? Watch me from the beginning to the end to get the full gist. Yes. Hi lovelies, how you all are doing? If today is your first time here, please do me a favor by subscribing, turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss any of my video. As for my returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you so much for always clicking on my video to watch it, guys. This video is going to be a quick one, okay guys? Okay guys, in today's video is all about how you can cure or how you can treat at the comfort of your home, like how you can cure or treat low sperm counts, or how you can treat watery sperm at the comfort of your home. So if it is a video you would like to relate with, stay tuned and enjoy yourself. Grab anything grabbable, okay guys? So what you need to do to get rid of it totally at the comfort of your home. But guys, I'm coming for the part 2 of this video because this video is short, okay? It's very quick and short. So let's go to what you need to do to get rid of that totally at the comfort of your home. Yes. So guys, you know Mariam, Lamzy prescribe and God do the healing. The two ingredients that you need in taking care of that at the comfort of your home is just guava leaf and moringa leaf. That is the two ingredients that you need to take care of yourself at the comfort of your home. You know I love you because your health is your greatest wealth, okay guys? So that guava and moringa leaf, once you get the fresh guava leaf and moringa leaf, all you need to do is just boil it. After you boil it, you allow it to boil. You boil the two together. You allow it to boil for like 30 minutes. Then after you boil it, you bring it down. Then you fetch it inside your cup, your glass cup full of it. Then take it morning and night. Okay, guys? Do you know what you do? Just do that for 10 days and come and thank Mariam Lamzy later. Like I told you in this video, I'm going to do the part 2 of this same video, okay, to explain the full gist. Like there are some things that I need to add to it, some ingredients that I need. I just want you to know that you should prepare yourself, prepare your mind. I get you covered, that another special video is coming for you, like it's coming on your way. Okay guys, so that is it on that. Mariam Lamzy prescribe and God do the healing. Let's go. Find this video very interesting, please give it a huge thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your loved ones, and please guys, don't forget to join my membership. It is very important. Do anything you can that you know you can support my channel. Please do it for me and God Almighty in heaven will reward you handsomely, okay? Don't look at me, look at God, okay? And support your baby girl. Thank you so much. Till I come your way next time. See you in my next one. Bye bye.